Staten Island is serving as the warning sign for the rest of New York City. In some neighborhoods, the positivity rate has topped 6.5%. And that prompted Staten Island Borough President James Otto to go on the mayor's daily press briefing to urge Staten Islanders to band together now.
We are at our best in crunch moments, post 9/11, post Sandy. We are quickly approaching, if not at that moment, Staten Islanders. Let's rise up.
The city is making every effort to prevent COVID-19 cases on Staten Island from getting out of control. Officials are handing out masks and offering tests at the ferry terminal in St. George. Catholic schools on the island have opted to switch to fully remote learning. And with the citywide positivity rate nearing 3%, public schools may not be far behind.
We've put out a clear standard. We're going to stick to that standard.
The mayor vowing to stick to his 3% shutdown clause, despite the state suggesting a 5% positivity rate threshold for closures. De Blasio says he hopes the lower number will lead to a quicker reopening if it helps contain the virus.
Families need schools open whenever they can be open, and kids need it, parents need it, and it's working. So our goal would be the fastest possible turnaround.
But some want to act even faster. After the governor announced 10 p.m. restrictions for bars and restaurants starting Friday, Mark Levine, chair of the City Council's Health Committee, says indoor dining should stop immediately.
The virus is surging in New York City, and we have to act fast now to limit social indoor interactions.
With cases up 50% over the past 7 days, Levine says indoor dining is one of the riskiest activities for spreading the virus. But he added that the federal, state, and local governments need to come up with funding to keep the businesses alive.
Essentially, we need to pay them to close.
And he says he doesn't make his recommendation lightly. No matter what, he believes that we're going to have to go through some stiff economic hardships in order to stop the spread of the virus. He's just hoping that we can do it before we need another shelter-in-place mandate. Reporting live tonight on Staten Island, Joe Messeri, Pix 11 News.